Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to connect to your router using the IP address 192.168.1.254. So the first thing you need to check is if you're connected to your Ethernet or router. So click here on the right on the Wi-Fi settings. And here, as you can see, I'm connected to my TP-Link Wi-Fi router. So it's connected and secured. The second step is we need to validate the IP address. So go to your search bar and type in CMD, open command prompt, and type in ipconfig and press enter. And here in the default gateway, you can see your IP address. So just copy it. Now open your browser. You can use Edge, Chrome, or Opera, anything you want. Go to your navigation bar and paste the IP address. And now press enter. And here you can see the login page of your router. The standard login and password for TP-Link is standard the admin. So you can just type in admin for the login and also admin for the password. Now press enter. And here you can see you're now logged in into your router dashboard. So for example, if you want to change the IP address, you can go on the left menu, click on network, click on LAN, and here in the IP address, you can, for example, change your IP address if you want to. If you want to change it, click on save, and then you can just log out from the system. Okay, that's everything for today. Hope this helps, and do not forget to subscribe.